My boy, I'm about to unbox the bag with you right now.
Yeah, let me see your grill too, since you on the side.
My grill, let me grab him. Perm, man, perm. You would have thought I went perm. That's that time, man. Come on, look. You're gonna be able to get cash depot? That's what you want to do today at the bank?
Yeah.
That's perfect, that's perfect. You got one good top, one good bottom.
Yeah.
Come on, let's do it.
Yeah, you finna do it, yeah.
Come on, if you get a cashier check, just send it to the same Addy, just FedEx overnight, I'll have it tomorrow. Or Apple Pay, I'll send you the Apple Pay.
No, I'm finna Apple Pay.
Okay, perfect. I'm gonna send you the Apple Pay right now, I got you. Bet, peace.